This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting direct access. Jack the car safely, support it on stands, then remove the wheel. Once done, clean the hub and stud area so you can see the thread damage clearly. You'll need penetrating oil, a 6-point socket, and a stud puller or vise grip. Make sure to have replacement studs and a torque wrench ready. Begin by applying penetrating oil to the damaged threads and let it soak while you position tools. This reduces seizure and prepares you for removing the stud. You work methodically. Remove the axle nut and any retaining hardware, then use a stud puller or tight vise grips on the stud's exposed portion to pull it straight out. If it won't budge, strike the back of the hub lightly to free it and reapply penetrating oil. For partially damaged threads, chase them with the correct die and back off metal shavings frequently. Keep bearings and brake components supported. Don't stress the hub. Once the stud is free, clean the hole and inspect for ovailing or debris. You install the new stud by pressing it into the hub hole and drawing it through with a washer and lug nut, tightening until the stud head seats flush. Make sure to torque the lug nut carefully to pull the stud fully. Don't exceed hub limits. Once all studs are replaced, reinstall the wheel and torque lugs in the star pattern to the manufacturer's spec. If the stud won't seat, stop, remove it, inspect the bore for burrs or corrosion, and file or clean until the stud slides in smoothly before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.